Carlos Ramirez, owner of Nvs Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So Dave originally brought us his bike for a stage 3, and he was completely fine with that. Then he went to an audio competition and heard a few bikes, and it was over after that. So he dropped it off, and he's like, Carlos, I want a huge upgrade. So this is what we came up with. We took out the 8s. We kept the Cicadas in the fairing, Cicada 8s in the lowers. We took the 6x9s out of the lids. We went with the new Cicada 6x9 horn in the lids. That way the pressure from the 10 wouldn't affect, but it didn't matter anyway because we ended up sealing and porting the bag, so there was going to be no pressure on the 6x9 anyway, but he wanted the extra output of the horn. We went with a set of Cicada 10s in sealed and ported bags. We fiberglass reinforced the bags, and we did a Sound Digital 5000.1. So we have 800, a 1600, a 5000, Braille lithium, and the bike sounds phenomenal. Check this out.
You the only one that I wanna stare at in the morning, girl, cause you one of them down pieces. Rolling up with me, it's no Keisha. Shawty don't ring the bell, she gotta keep it. Your girl for rent and mine is on the leases. Leave it, if you try. I want the best friend, the sister, and the mother. And I don't give a fuck if I blow my cover on it up, bitch. Take it out, I'm a lover. Fuck it up for the hood dog. Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. Turn it up for the hood dog. heard he sang a good song. I heard he had a style. And so I came to see him, to listen for a while. And there he was, this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, strumming my back with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly